I want to let you in on a little secret that most adults are still trying to figure out. Ready is a ghost. It doesn't exist. Think about that thing you've been pondering. Maybe it's starting a YouTube channel, joining a club where you don't know anyone, or finally asking for help in that class that's kicking your butt. Why haven't you done it yet? Usually, the answer is, I'm just waiting until I feel a little more ready. But here's the truth. You don't feel ready because you haven't started. We think clarity comes before action, but it's actually the other way around. Action is what creates clarity. Today's shift is moving from procrastination to imperfect action. Think about driving a car at night. Your headlights only show you about 200 feet in front of you. You can't see your destination. You can't see the turns 3 miles away, but you can see enough to keep moving. And as you move forward, the next 200 feet are revealed. If you wait until you can see the whole map, you'll never leave the driveway. Pondering the possibilities for your life doesn't mean having a 20-year plan. It means having enough courage to take the first messy step, even when you are nervous. The shift is realizing you don't need permission to start. In school, you are trained to wait for the teacher to tell us to open the book, or the coach to tell us to run. We wait for someone to tell us we are ready for the next level. But in the real world, and in your own life, no one is coming to give you a green light. You have to give yourself the power to be a beginner. Being a beginner is uncomfortable. It's supposed to be. It means you are actually doing something new. Stop waiting for the fear to go away. It's not going anywhere. Take it with you and start anyway. Here's your daily shift challenge for this morning. The 5-minute just start sprint. I want you to identify that one thing you've been putting off because you don't feel ready or prepared. Today, you are going to work on it for exactly 5 minutes. Don't try to make it perfect. Don't try to finish it. Just start. Open the document and write the first sentence. Send the email. Buy the supplies. Just get the car out of the driveway. Once you've done 5 minutes, you can stop. But I bet you won't want to. I bet you will not want to. Because clarity is waiting for you in the doing, not the thinking. Stop waiting for ready and start moving. I'm William Ponder, and this is Pondering the Possibilities, the Daily Shift podcast brought to you by Life of Pondering, LLC. I'll see you in episode 10 for our season 1 finale. Let's go. We'll check you in the next episode.
First off, let me thank my